thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. This morning thoughts is a driving vlog this morning. I'm here with my little lady. Say hi, Nani. Alright, get back in your seat. Alright, so today we're very busy. We're about to head on into Miami and be there for about 2 days. A lot of people say don't say my whereabouts on the internet. You gotta understand that I move with no fear, right? But anyway, and plus Miami is huge, so it'd be hard pressed to actually find me. I'm not out there like that. But that's where we're gonna be. I can't hide my whereabouts, people. I'm hosting parties and all this other kind of things, so how am I supposed to advertise a party that I'm gonna be hosting but hide? You know? We can't live in fear, y'all. We can't make stupid people have us living in fear. Something that concerned me big time this morning, though, is one of my subscribers been here since I had 3,000 subscribers. And as you can see, there's over 90,000 subscribers on the channel this morning, right? So he's been here since I had 3,000. I guess he was trying to reach out to me. And he couldn't get through to me. So him sent a message now say, don't treat people like that, cause somebody wake up, go bed last night, didn't wake up this morning, and he thought I was a genuine person, and I give off the impression that I care about my subscribers. I do care about my subscribers, and I explained to him, and he's from England. I explained to him, and me and him been talking back and forth. I don't want any other SouFLoTV family to feel like they're being rejected. I'm the vlogger that started that, because I used to go to other people's channel, and the reason why, for one, I don't go to other people's channel anymore too much is because they had this thing where if you do a topic, those who don't know how social media run, then will come on and say stuff like, oh, you stole so-and-so topic. You stole so-and-so topic. When truth of the matter is, we share the same topics, because if we're all Jamaican and we're looking at all the major news sources out of Jamaica, we're going to look at the same 3 or 4. Understand? So we're catching the same topics, but we just reason them out differently and bring our own brand, our own humor and everything, our own twist, our own life story experiences to the whole thing. And that's what makes us different. Anyways, so I don't want anybody to feel like they're being neglected. Now, there were a lot of people who didn't wish us well from day one. Like when we had 3,000 subscribers, I had people that when I had 3,000 subscribers, they were cheering for me. Hope say I get one more at SouFLo, 4,000. By the time I hit 5,000, those same people started saying bad things about me. And I couldn't understand why. So it's like people, they wanted to see you succeed, but then when you started to, they started to tear you back down. And a lot of my people on SouFLoTV, a lot of them are new. But there are a lot of people that have been here since the channel had 50, 100, 200 subscribers. And those people I honor, because they've been saying, yo, we want you to succeed, we want you to make it. And them they share my videos, they tell people about the channel. They tune into the channel. Some people tune in on a regular basis and send me videos. Me in their living room on their big screen. What I'm saying is, I don't forget people, and I'm not an ungrateful type of person. So here's what's going on, just like I explained to this brother. You see, when the channel, like I said before, I'm the vlogger that started that, because I used to go to other vloggers' channels and I used to notice they would never reply to anyone. You could have 10,000 comments up there. They're not replying to any of them. They might say, they might hit a like button for 1 or 2 persons. They might hit a like button for 1 or 2 persons, but they're not replying to anybody. And I made it a point. I said, you know what? These people take their time and their effort to come over here, listen to my content, and leave a constructive comment. Whether we agree or not, it's still their opinion they're sharing, and I respect that enough to take the time. And Brains can tell you, I used to stay up late at night. I used to put coffee up and tell her, I'm gonna pull an all-nighter. You'll pull an all-nighter doing what, babe? I pull an all-nighter. Oh, the hair braided. Different look. Shaped up. Everything. Brought out the beard. I'm gonna pull an all-nighter I used to tell her, just answering people all night. So the people feel like they belong, right? Like they're appreciated. And I did. And back then, people were happy that I was doing that. Because I would literally sit up and answer hundreds of people. Hundreds of people. And now, I can't do that anymore. I was able to do that when the channel had 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 subscribers. And a video comment section would have 50 comments, 60 comments. But now, I'm putting up multiple videos per day. 3, 4 videos a day. And sometimes those videos in the comment section, one video has 150 comments in the first 2-3 hours. I can't keep up with that. And I have 4 or 5 of those videos up. So I can't keep up with that anymore. And that's what I want the people to understand. And plus, I'm on WhatsApp. So if you're hitting me up on WhatsApp and I'm not responding, it's because I'm busy making SouFLoTV grow. It's because I'm busy catering to that. Like when I put a video up on SouFLoTV, I have to answer the people who tune into those videos that are posted. So you reaching out to me on WhatsApp, I wanted people to reach out to me on WhatsApp to send me content. You know, you can drop a one line here and there, yes. And if you have something for me to promote or something, business contacts should go through my business email, SouFLoTV@gmail.com, that kind of thing. But we have to structure the business, you know what I'm saying? Or if we don't structure it, we're not going to survive, right? We need some kind of order. I don't know, say I'm a military man anyway, so order and structure is something that comes with the territory. But big up to everybody, man, that genuinely supports us. All 3 channels, SouFLoTV, BrainFlow.TV, and Brains and the Beat. Look, my baby girl went to sleep. See her? Fast asleep. All my kids do that. Like, as soon as I put them in the vehicle, them knock out. I guess because when they were in the womb, we were riding around so much in the car or something. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, big up to every single person. I love y'all. You genuinely show love and support over here. Some people genuinely go above and beyond and show concern and keep up to date and up to time with what we're going through in real life. You know what I mean? Or anything we post to the channel and whatnot. Big up on yourself, manners and respect, enough love and honor. That's all I gotta say. And today is Friday. It's the end of the week. It's the weekend. It's the freaking weekend. Go out and enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Take care of your children. I still see, I still see guys out here dressed to the nines and the tees, and I know they're baby moms, and I know they're children, and they hurting. Them in a club of pop bottles and they babies hurting. When last you bring a Lasco? When last you pay a little child support? When last you buy a one outfit car go give the youth? Matter of fact, when last you spend a deal with the youth? Like, yo, I can't do it, and I don't keep friends with deadbeat dads either. So, here what? Make sure y'all take care of your kids, man. Big up yourself. I'm gonna have a weekend out with my kids. Road trip. Alright? It's SouFLoTV. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. I'm up out of here. Peace.